What if I declare another first name property in the employee class? Good question. You get what's called hiding. I will actually I don't want, because I just came up with an awesome way to explain hiding, but it goes hand in hand with override new. So I don't want to talk about it before we get into virtual members.
Could you give a quick example of now that you've got these three layers of just why it can be bad? I can't think of one off the top of my head.
Well, why it could be bad is because conceptually, what are we doing here? A CEO, an employee, and a person, or more specifically, an employee and a CEO are pretty much very similar concepts. They're still people. The difference between those two are quite possibly the behaviors and the data on them, and maybe what they're allowed to do. Doing it this way really locks you down because you cannot share that behavior between that and other types. Like Nelson can be used as a person or employee, but not as a gender, right? Yes. I could be used as a person or an employee, but I couldn't be used as a accountant, manager, or CEO. But the print person would not be able to access the yearly income, correct? There's no way for us to access the yearly income. So you can't override reserved methods and no. Well, you can't. You can hide them, but you can't override them. And there's a very important distinction.